Alright, so here's a fun mistake that I kind of made. The yellow is the original path of the coaster. You'll notice it's extremely close to the other spine here. So what I did is I went back into no limits and I adjusted this lower portion of the curve right before the brake run. And now you can see it has plenty of clearance. So it's cool stuff you can do on the fly that it doesn't mess up all the pre-existing work you've already done. And all you can do is, like, I'll show you. You can just go select all these guys. And I think actually I just totally botched it, but hide the components and there you go. It's like it was never even there. And then now we got a curve that doesn't, have clearance issues with the previous part of the ride.